personal foul. Again, Jason in the ball. Yes. 28-17, 11-point lead by James Moon. To Jason, to Chris. Oh, steal by Francis. Ready for some. 28-19. 9-point lead only. Sub. Come here, sub.
Dito pala yung puno.
1 minute, 20 seconds.
Matalito sila.
Rebound by Joey. Again, Brian for three. Oh, wow! What a jump! Franchise, super by franchise. Rebound by Chris. It's the game by Chris. This is rebound by Chris. 30-21, 9-point lead. To Brian, to Nathan. Oh, wow! Again, late for three. Time remaining 3 minutes, 12 seconds. 21-30, 9-point lead only by Timu. Again to Joey, jump shot. No good. Rebound by O'Neal. Good boy. Gotta get it. 2 minutes, 45 seconds. Third quarter. Good. Good by Good. Joey. Good for three. No good. Good for three. No good again. Fish for three. No good. And you see by 7-point lead. 2 minutes remaining.
Muna kaya para may isang game pa kami.
Again to Joseph. Brian. Ryan, first personal foul.
21 black. Keep the clock running.
Ryan shooting for 2 3 points. Ryan for three.
Ano sabi kay Papa? Tama ba?
3 point by Ryan. Assist by Hilton.
3 points.
30, 20, 10 points. 30 seconds time. Romeo.
White 45. He made it.
26-33. Going first personal foul.
We got white ball.
Hey, let's go. Let's go. Next team. Let's go. We'll start right away.
We got one more quarter.
One quarter.
One more quarter.
Next
One quarter.
Ata, tawag game. Hindi pa tayo kuya. Di ba? Isa pa. Kala ko nga eh. Sa kayo si Ayo. Shot clock. Kamu may sunod, Benok. Alis ka na. Now? Hanap ko nga si Ayo. Bay, pwede pa din sa kabay. Paskor. Karon. Okay, mulakaw daw siya. Balik ako. 2 points. Babalik din ako. Wait. Is that 2 points? Foul?
Pick your man! Pick your man!
2 points na, 2 points.
Pass! Pass!
Alis ka lang dyan, pa. Hindi.
Ano quarter? Ano quarter?
Defense!
Sa quarter, Bay.
Guys! Rep! Oh, wait. What's that? Is that 2 points? No good. No good? No good.
Second quarter.
Yeah, what quarter?
Last 2 minutes? Ano pa? 9 minutes.
It's opens up, guys. Opens up. Okay, Francis quickly, no good. Rebound by Chris.
Hey, come down! Go! Run the clock!
25 seconds left. Two foul. 25. Foul. Marcus Flores. First personal foul.
Tante ball dito. Nagawa nila ko.
Number one. 34 minutes. 8:20.
Ano ka, Sarge?
Okay, Ryan for three, no good. It's not. 7 minutes, 35 seconds before quarter. 8. Last pushing, last pushing.
14 foul.
Foul number 18. Raymond. First personal foul, Raymond. Brian shoot for 2 feet.
Sarap ng barbecue? Binigyan ako ni Julius eh. Sabi sa akin, siguro reklamo ka na reklamo, ito na.
Going
13 foul.
13 foul in Julie, second personal foul. Francis. Five minutes, 7 seconds.
5 minutes.
And full quarter. The one for Francis. Another free throw for Francis. Francis carrying to 1 feet. And one. 37, 28, 28, 28. 25 seconds.
4 minutes, 26.
4 minutes, 20 seconds. 7 for 3, no good. People like this. So good.
Who was it that time? 3 minutes 50. 3 minutes 50.
3 minutes 50 seconds to Aaron. Number 2, Aaron.
30, 39.
25 seconds left. 30, 39, 9.8. Ryan, no good. Rebound by Chris. 52, Chris. Martínez. Rebound by Chris. 41-32. 3 minutes, 5 seconds.
Stop. Stop.
Yes, we don't have time. Ball rotation. Quick.
Shoot it, man.
2 minutes, 45 seconds.
Tama.
Two minutes, 30 seconds.
Stop the clock sa one time out, two time out. One, two.
One time out. Two timeouts. One timeout. Two timeouts.
That's 41-37. 41-37.
Foul, no?
Why is this Ryan?
Big foul, no?
Oh, hi. Good to
Shooting foul.
Paul to ba?
Oh.
Paul. Yan.
Foul, di ba?
Sikot may nagsulot ko.
18. I got it.
18.
Stop.
Stop.
Muli na kay Brad.
Oh.
15 foul, both teams 15 fouls. Score is 38-44, 6.8. 51 for Joey. 7.8. Another one. One in for penalty, 60 fouls, 60 fouls, 1 in. Next foul is Raymond, fourth personal foul, Raymond, penalty. Two shots. Last 1 minute. Chris going for 2
Nice ball. Assist 3-point pa.
I'll be able to kiss the girl.
Chris, kuha bola. Help. Hold.
No, stop the clock. We have to stop the clock. Stop the clock. We stop the clock. No, we stop the clock. 2 minutes.
Stop clock. Yeah.
Good ball, yeah.
Start na. In? No. Time out. It's not time out.
Seconds, 2 free throws for Honey. 5-point lead, 41 points. Five-point lead. Time out. Who's time out? Black team? Who's time out? Who's calling time out?
Go time out. Go time out.
Oh, no more time out, Black. No more time out, Black. Yeah, if you get a call time out, then no more.
Yes, but they wasn't handing the ball yet. So did that black time out?
No, Tata. If you hold the ball,
We just didn't have a timeout.
Nobody called timeout.
No, he initiated the timeout.
Who?
He already called it.
Who?
Ref.
Huh?
Ref already called it and put it out black.
Nobody called. No, nobody.
He already initiated it. You don't stop. The clock already been stopped anyway on the free throw. It doesn't matter. Black. Yeah, on that free throw, on that last free throw before they call timeout, it would have been stopped anyway, right? Yeah. Alright, so it wouldn't make timeout. They just had a timeout right now. They have a timeout, they just have a timeout.
Hey, Asa. He doesn't know what our rules is.
Alright, yeah.
You have to explain. Yeah, if you know.
The ball wasn't handed yet, the time will not run.
I know, but you can't stop. There's no time limit.
No, last 2 minutes.
I know.
Last 2 minutes, we have to stop the clock.
I know, but you can't stop it. If someone makes a basket, that's still running.
Yeah, right. But, yeah, only dead ball. We stop at dead
It's
ball.
only on dead ball.
Yeah, dead ball, yeah.
I'm trying to explain.
Yes, on the May basket. Yeah. May basket, yep. You good now? Yeah. Good. No more timeouts left.
No more time out, Black. One more time out here. Yeah, 2 timeouts here in Hawaii.
Practice for 3.
Penalty.
No, it's offensive foul. Offensive foul by the offensive foul by, it's a penalty by. You don't have to free throw that one. Yeah, you don't have to. Nagkagulo yung referee na yan. Kung sa...
Si Francis, pagsabi niya pag-ball.
Ha? Yeah?
Second game na sila.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Narinig si Francis pag-hold ng ball. Time out. Alam ko matawag.
Who's foul? Chris?
Like 18, they got 18, right?
So this game's nothing more than black and white.
No, they have to win.
Yeah, but this is their second game. It's kind of like us. Our first game we lost. Our second
No,
game.
yeah, but
Do we still have
if they're
a
gonna win, then because if team was gonna lose, they're gonna need to win the next game. That's why there's still time.
What about me? What about us?
Yeah, but the problem is like they got 2-0 already. Come on, then.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. And
Yes. Kelly, kami. Para maintindihan mo. Ito yun, oh. Yung score, oh. May score yan dito, eh. Yung score nila. Ito. 6 points lang.
Keep it moving. Keep it moving. All right, next team. Next
Kayo,
team.
di ka 27. Kahit natalo yung agent ng kanila, then natalo sila, kailangan nyo nanalo ng 25 points at 27 points sa next game. O 28 points para kayo kapatid. Kung natalo yung next game. Pero ngayon, 2 wins na kasi. Hindi kasi, yun yung schedule yun. Hindi naman natin alam kung nanalo. Gawa tayo ng schedule. Agad.
I'm at your warm-ups now.
Woo, Warriors! Come on, come on! Gusto ko sana, pero wala. Oh, wala. Next na one. Pero yun yung You need to win next game. If you're gonna lose, yeah. Who's gonna score with me here?
Hey, Ivy, where's my sample? How do you like that?
Friday, man. Yes, sir.
Get somebody. Let's go. Get somebody. We're gonna start.
John! Who? Can you help me here?
Yeah, 'cause someone looked at the championship games at 5. So they might leave.
Yeah.
it is what it is.